How to check for the memory? Memory actually can be divided into three categories or three types: immediate memory, recent memory, and remote memory. Remote means long-term memory. Immediate means immediately, within seconds or within minutes. You can give a number, you can give a sentence and ask him to repeat after 10 minutes. You can ask him, what did I ask you? What was the number I have given you? So after few minutes you can ask them. That is an immediate memory. Recent memory means, recent memory you can ask about the breakfast, you can ask about the dinner, what you had yesterday. So suppose today, now it is afternoon, you can ask about yesterday's dinner or yesterday's breakfast. That is a recent memory. Okay, from in what vehicle you have you have traveled yesterday, where did you go yesterday, along with whom did you go. So a recent memory can be checked in that way. What about long term memory or remote memory? That is like long back, like 10 years back. Okay, where was the schooling done, where was your LKG done, because now you are a first year student, so I cannot ask you plus 2. That you cannot tell as a long term memory. It's not more than 1 year. So long term memory means what happened in 5 or 6 years back or 10 years back. Long term memory. Okay, like where did you do a school? Do you remember the thing? You forget about that. That's a immediate, not an immediate or recent memory. It's a long term memory or remote memory. It's very important in things like your schooling or your teacher or your the place where you have stayed. All those things comes as a part of long term memory. Then forgetting the things can be due to even amnesia. Retrograde amnesia can be there as a part of road traffic accident. A blow in the head can have resulting in an amnesia. So these things, sometimes the person who has brought to the casualty, even here the person doesn't remember what has happened in the road. He just remember, might be he's traveling in a car. He doesn't remember anything after that. That can be even 1 or 2 days. It will be okay. Okay, for that this type of memory is very important. Recent memory or immediate memory is very important when to ask when there is a head injury or a blow in the head. So forgetting can be as a part of that. It can be only for 1 or 2 days. So observation is very important when you had a head injury, especially 48 hours is very important. The first 48 hours to have observation in an ICU, and sometimes CT or MRI has to be taken to rule out any head injury, any injury to the brain areas.